you ever thought with one of your clients or a few of your clients, oh my God, I don't know why my hypnosis or even coaching session didn't work? And, there are many ways or many reasons as to why this happened. And so I'm going to talk about the three things today that are the biggest culprits as to why our hypnosis sessions or our coaching sessions really didn't work the way we expected, or we weren't able to fully facilitate the transformations for our clients. And so I'm going to go through the three of them, and then I'm going to go through each of them individually. The first one is that we just haven't gotten to the root cause yet of the problem. And number two is that we haven't tested the resources enough, and that even though we probably got to the root cause because we didn't test, the resilience and the resourcefulness of our clients weren't as strong as we could have gotten them to have. And number three is that our clients are still probably hiding something from us consciously and unconsciously. So let's pack all of this up, shall we? Let's go with the first one, which is we just haven't gotten to the root cause yet. And so really the skill here is being able to truly investigate our client's problem, and always remembering at the back of our minds that whatever our clients give us, whatever problem they present with, is a symptom of a deeply rooted problem. So when we are in our sessions and we are still going around the symptom, for example, some client comes to us because they want to lose some weight. If we are still focusing our conversation and our investigation around the weight loss per se, and not some deeply rooted issues, some really deep unconscious information, and we just focus on the weight loss and the things that they're doing right now with regards to weight loss, then we just haven't gotten to the deep enough layer yet. That is okay, because we can always um, get better at the investigation phase, right? That's why inside our advanced conversational hypnosis trainings, this is exactly what we focus on. We focus on the investigation phase so that we get to that root cause faster and become confident in knowing and getting to the root cause faster. So this is a skill set. So this is something that you want to always be improving, right? Even if we're already good, we can always be great and amazing and better. And so that's number one. The second part is that we just haven't tested it enough. And so when we do get to the root cause, although we gotten there, life pretty much tested our clients. Our clients say, yes, I'm going to start moving tomorrow, but we didn't test. So tomorrow came, something happened, they formed some more excuses in their minds, and they just weren't able to get there. So that's why testing is super duper important in our sessions. And this is not really taught much in a lot of hypnotherapy trainings, this is definitely a focus that we do inside our advanced conversational hypnosis trainings, because it is really crucial for us to test our clients before they leave to see if they still carry the problem or not. That just makes sense, right? That just makes sense. And there's definitely going to be, there's a lot of videos here regarding testing. So definitely check those out. But really, once we test our clients, then we know for sure that our session worked because we tested. It's actually a very, very simple concept with testing. You're pretty much just asking if the symptom problem is still there and how they feel about the problem. And so if we don't test our clients, we do run that risk of, them saying in the session, yes, I'm so excited to, work out again, to prioritize my nutrition. But because we haven't tested and really formed that resilience within their unconscious mind, that they run the risk, or they're more likely, if we don't test, to be tested by the real world, to be tested by those cakes, those pies, to be tested by just staying at home and watching their favorite Netflix shows because we haven't tested, instead of actually going and moving their bodies like they said they were going to do. So that is the second reason. And the third reason is, what was the third reason? I'm drawing a blank. So the third reason is that our clients haven't told us everything that they needed to tell us. They're still hiding something, and this is something that our clients do consciously or and unconsciously, or both. Sometimes our clients just don't feel comfortable with giving us the actual information. Maybe they haven't fully trusted us yet. Maybe we haven't really established the rapport yet, and this rapport and this trust doesn't come with a pre-talk, right? It's not, our clients won't trust us consciously and unconsciously because we have memorized this elaborate pre-talk where we talk how, how we are going to keep them safe and whatever in the first of the training. This is something that we teach inside our advanced conversational hypnosis trainings that, we can do for ourselves as coaches and hypnotists unconsciously to just have a presence of being when we're in our clients to facilitate trust that doesn't need a pre-talk. So when you're able, because words are words, right? Our client's unconscious mind is always studying us within our sessions, and if for some reason they are reading us, whether they are correct or not, then that affects their ability to trust us and tell us the things that are necessary for us to actually help them with a transformation. So a tangible example of this is that if we are someone with like a lot of cue cards and a lot of notes and we're not actually listening or paying attention to our clients. This was me because I was trained in a traditional hypnotherapy modality and I had cue cards everywhere. There were a lot of techniques. So just to make sure I had everything in my desk all laid out and I would look down instead of look at my clients and I would overly think so much in my mind as to what the next thing I was going to do was instead of listening and actually paying attention to my client who was in front of me through Zoom. And so when our client's unconscious mind can tell that we are either like finicky and like just looking through and sorting through our notes, or if we're not paying attention because we're just reading off a script, or we're just really just voicing and um, automatically blurting out things that we've memorized through our hypnosis school, that doesn't really feel good at the receiving end, right? And that will greatly affect our client's ability to be honest with us and tell us exactly what is bothering them. It prevents their unconscious mind in completely telling us what that unconscious payoff is. And so and so because of this, we, it may seem like our client session didn't work because they just haven't given us the exact information that we need to help them, because we are trying to do something with our clients. We're not fully paying attention. We're not giving them 100% of our focus. And so these three things are definitely what I find are the biggest thieving problems. The good news is these are all skills. Just because we are here now and we're finding this within ourselves, it doesn't mean that it can never get better, that we're stuck here, right? These are skill sets. And that's why these are the skill sets we go over and over and over and over with during our conversation hypnosis trainings. It's like we're training for the gym to just become better hypnotists and coaches for transformations, because it is a skill set. And unfortunately, not a lot of hypnotherapy training companies teach this, but this is crucial to success. This is crucial to us standing out and really becoming this amazing hypnotist that's known for their results, right? The results that we're able to give our clients are a skill set. It's not a book, it's not a technique, it's something to read, but it is something that we work up to, that we work with, we build up like a muscle. And this is what the conversational hypnosis trainings are all about, because really nothing is worse than reaching the end of the session, whether that be an hour session for you or for me, it was 2 to 2.5 hours, feeling that nothing was accomplished. That is a terrible feeling, right? But once we're able to actually focus on the skill set, then we can walk away with our sessions going, yes, that's right. This client's life is forever going to change, and this problem is not going to come back because we've tested. We have gotten to the root cause. Clients have given us all the information that are necessary for them to have a breakthrough and for us to facilitate that breakthrough for them. And so I hope this helped. I hope that this steered a lot of thinking within you. And if you have any questions at all, let me know and I will see you soon.